A magnitude 4 earthquake was felt in sections of the island earlier this afternoon. It was felt around 1:53. The earthquake was reportedly felt in sections of Portland, St. Mary, St. Thomas, St. Catherine, Kingston and St. Andrew. The epicenter of the quake was approximately 10 kilometers south of St. Margaret's Bay in Portland. Head of the earthquake unit at the University of the West Indies, Professor Simon Mitchell, says persons to the east of the island would have felt more of the impact.
In the right place, if you're in an enclosed room or you're in a high building, you feel earthquakes. People elsewhere could feel it if they're in the right place. But I was also told that there was a noise, a roaring noise with this one as well, which we also sometimes get. It was a depth of 8.7 kilometers, which is sort of moderately shallow, but not very shallow. So it probably wouldn't cause that much damage at all.
And TVJ News understands that at least one roof was reportedly damaged in Mona, St. Andrew from the impact of the quake.